These first-person animal POV videos are going viral right now, and in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create them completely for free. Just take a look. It's actually very difficult to tell whether these clips are real footage or AI generated. For example, this channel only started posting recently and has already gained over 200,000 subscribers. The number of views these videos get is honestly incredible. But here's the interesting part. The videos on this channel are entirely created with AI. They look extremely realistic, but they're not real. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create similar videos in just a few simple steps, completely free. I've also prepared a simple guide specifically for this tutorial. Just leave a comment below the video, and I'll send it to you for free. All right, let's get started. First, copy the text that I've already prepared, and make sure you copy the entire thing carefully so you don't miss any important details. Just leave a comment below, and I'll send you the text. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the text in, and click Generate. ChatGPT will give you a list of 15 different small animals that work perfectly for creating these types of videos. Choose the animal you want to use, copy it, and reply to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will process the request and return detailed results, including an image prompt and a motion prompt. These prompts contain the entire workflow for creating the video. After that, all you need to do is copy, paste, and generate your finished video. Now let's begin. Open Grok's free image and video generation tool and select the image generation feature. Copy the text from block 01, image prompt, paste it into Grok, choose the video aspect ratio, and click Generate. Grok will create several similar images. Simply pick the starting image you like. Next, switch to the video generation mode and choose the video length and resolution. Copy the text from block 02, motion prompt, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. Wait a moment for Grok to finish generating the video. Now we have our first video clip. To continue the sequence, select the Extend Video option, copy the text from block 03, motion prompt, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. Repeat the same process by extending the video and pasting the next prompt until you finish all of them. Once all the prompts are completed, simply review the final video and download it to enjoy the result. If you want to create a longer video, just ask ChatGPT to generate additional prompts and repeat the same process. Using this workflow, you can quickly create any viral POV-style video completely for free. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more AI video tutorials.